Hello and welcome to another tutorial video. Today I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Hotmail account. To do that, open any browser in your desktop or your mobile device and in web address bar type in hotmail.com and hit enter. It will take you to Outlook homepage, Outlook, Hotmail. These are all same. So you can sign in your Hotmail account from this page also. Now we have to click on create free account. Now choose a new email address for your account. On the right side of the email address, you can choose either outlook.com or hotmail.com. It's same. So I'm going to choose hotmail.com and click on next. Now choose a password for your new account. Choose a very strong password for your account so it doesn't get hacked. While choosing a password, keep in mind to use special characters, numbers to make your password strong. And click on next. Now enter your name here and click on next. Enter the country and birth date and click on next. Now you have to enter the captcha word. See it very carefully and enter it in this screen. If you can't see the word properly, click on audio. After entering the captcha, click on next. It's done. Your Hotmail account is created. Thank you for watching this video.